Hi there, iTrust community. iTrustCapital Rewards is a program that lets you refer friends to earn unlimited rewards. Today we're here to give you the lowdown on how it works. Log into your account and navigate to your profile dashboard. Enter your friend's email address into the text box. You may also refer friends using your referral link provided. Now they're ready to set up their new account and begin the process of funding. Receiving your rewards. Once your friend's account is funded, you'll receive an email from iTrustCapital explaining how to collect your reward. You should receive your reward within 45 days of when your referral funded their account. More referrals equals more rewards. It doesn't stop there. You can refer more friends and claim more rewards. There's no limit on the number of invites you can send, and every funded account you refer will net you more rewards. It's that easy. If you have additional questions or need assistance, do not hesitate to contact us through our support page or give us a call. Our team is here to help.